Alright, let's make some pasta. Now, I'm not a big fan of bottled red sauces, so I'm gonna make a red sauce from a recipe I came across social media not too long ago. All I have to do is take all the bell peppers and the onions and tomatoes, lots of garlic, and cherry tomatoes just for that additional tang, all in a baking dish. I'm gonna cover it with extra virgin olive oil and season it with black pepper, salt, and Italian seasoning. All the seasonings are in. I'm gonna give it a quick toss and then I'm gonna broil these vegetables for 20 minutes on high setting. While the vegetables are in the oven, it's time to cook the pasta. I have about 7 quarts of water and I have a generous 2 tablespoons of salt in this water. So the water has come to a rolling boil. I'm gonna add in the spaghetti and I'm not going to break the spaghetti. I'm just going to gently push it in as it softens. I like the pasta al dente, so I'm going to cook this for about 10 minutes, about 10 and a half. And just before we drain the pasta, I'm going to reserve about 2 cups of pasta water, which I will add to the sauce later on. This makes the pasta sauce so creamy and delicious. Alright, vegetables are done. I'm gonna, oh my goodness, look at that char. I love a little charred onion and garlic. It adds such delicious flavor to the sauce. Believe it or not, we are almost done. The pasta sauce is almost ready. All I have to do is blend all the vegetables together and then season it with some fresh garlic. Here I'm taking a teaspoon of oil. I'm gonna put some crushed garlic in the oil. I'm not gonna let the garlic brown. Once the garlic loses its raw smell, I'm gonna add in my red sauce. Give it a little stir. Time to add some heat to the sauce. I'm gonna add some red chili flakes, some additional salt, which can be completely optional. And I'm gonna add some pre-prepared meatballs here. I have the recipe on my channel. Please go visit it. Also, I'm gonna add in the reserved pasta water at this point and let the mixture boil. The sauce has come to a nice, beautiful boil. I'm gonna add in the cooked spaghetti, give it a gentle toss, very gently. We don't want to break the spaghetti at this point. Ah, look at that. Such a classic spaghetti and meatballs. Garnish with some fresh basil. Oh, basil and red sauce, classic combination. And then some cheese. I have some mozzarella and Parmesan. One can only put Parmesan if they want. And here it is, spaghetti and meatballs. Enjoy.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and download our app from the App Store or Google Play.